Hello friends. In this video, we'll talk about quarter 3 results of IRFC. As we can see, profit were up by 2%. Net income increase rises 0.4% to 6766 against 6740. Same quarter last year. Net profit rose by 2% to 1631 versus 1593 same quarter last year. We can say that results are not so encouraging. There is an increase in profit of just 2%, though expectations data is not available. But from these results, we can conclude that they have not been so great. And reason for it is because this is an year after general elections. Generally, government tend to spend a lot of money before elections in order to pump up the GDP numbers. But since now current year is after the elections, so capex spending has naturally come down, and that has impacted on the revenues of the companies which are dependent on government capex. This company was incorporated in 1986, and IRFC borrows funds from financial markets to finance acquisitions. If we talk about its market cap, then current market cap is around 1.9 lakh crores and P of around 30. It has low ROE, ROC numbers, but decent dividend yield. We have seen that generally PSUs provide decent dividend yield. So as this company, uh, but their growth rate are something which are not predictable. If they do well, then stock becomes two or three times within a span of an year or two. But there are long periods of time when stock does nothing. And if we see the recent run up as well, stock has done well mainly because of the P re-rating. Profit growth has not been so great, barring few years of 2022. But by and large, it has been decent. But stock PE went up from below 10 to as high as 45, and that has resulted into a jump in its stock price. But now somewhere valuations are also started to coming down, and because of that stock is under pressure. If we talk about its long term growth, then last 5 years sales CAGR is 19% and profit CAGR is 23%. Though it is looking good, but we'll have to see it in context. Since performance has improved in last 5 years, uh, it was not so great before that. And as we already discussed, this is a PSU, so growth is also not easy to predict. If we have a look at its technicals, then current trading price is around 146. Stock has a good resistance near 132 levels. Since results are not so great, we may expect it to test this level. There is not a high likelihood of it breaking down, but still if it does, then 110 is an important level for the stock. If it does well, then stock has an important resistance level of around 200, and then 225, which was also its all time high. So these are few important levels to watch out for in this stock. Remember friends, this analysis is only for the educational purpose. Kindly do not consider it as a stock buy or sell recommendation. Kindly do your own due diligence before investing in any stock. Thank you.